Hello everyone, I welcome you to this session of Geography. Today we have a very interesting topic to discuss, and that is the Southern Ocean. Yes, 8th June 2021 World Oceanic Day, on which it was officially discovered and declared that we have a fifth ocean adding up to our atlas and to the names of the list of the oceans. Apart from Indian Ocean, Pacific, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, today we have got the fifth ocean of the world, that is the Southern Ocean. But have you ever wondered that this ocean was existing before or not? Of course, this ocean was always there. And since 1915, National Geographic Society, it has been entrusted with making maps. So it has appointed certain geographers who just take the observations and would want to update it on maybe monthly, yearly basis. And Southern Ocean, the demands were too much from the geographers that let's identify this as a distinct ocean, for the reason that it is having such unique properties that makes it apart from other oceans. Ocean, if I talk about, 71% of the earth is occupied by ocean. It's water, 71% of the earth. And if I talk about the importance of it, maybe there are enumerating factors that I would be saying, but the most important that I feel is around 50% and even more oxygen is being added to the atmosphere via the oceans. This might look strange to you, but the answer to this is yes, the phytoplanktons, the species that can photosynthesize within the oceans, they have been doing a lot in adding up the oxygen. And it is at least 50% contribution of them that we have the oxygen coming to the atmosphere. Let's have a visit to what it might look like, the Southern Ocean, what it might look like. So if this is my Earth's surface, if I draw the continent of Antarctica, this is the continent of Antarctica. Now suppose we have the Ross Sea here. This is the Ross Sea here. Here we have the Weddell Sea. Here you have your South America. The important characteristic of the Southern Ocean is that it is the only ocean that touches three other oceans. For example, Atlantic, Pacific and the Indian Ocean. And it is the only ocean that embraces a continent, whereas we have been seeing that other oceans are embraced by the continents. This is the only ocean that is embracing the continent of Antarctica. Thus, another characteristic of this is bound by ACC, that is your Antarctic Circumpolar Current. This means that you might have read about the oceanic currents, and there are certain currents which are so powerful that they will not allow the water to escape through it, and hence these are kept within this water body of the Southern Ocean. Water is kept within this ACC circumpolar current. And another important addition to this is the latitude. It has been said that NOAA and the National Geographic Survey says that this is the ocean that has its boundary from the shelf of the Antarctica to the 60-degree south latitude. 60-degree south latitude. So do remember this, 60-degree south latitude. Now a question they might ask you in the prelims examination also, that this 60-degree south latitude, does it pass through any of the continents? You can answer me in the comment box. And this could be really an interesting question. But coming to this, your Southern Ocean, there are certain things about it. The geographers have seen that the water in this Southern Ocean is different from what lies beyond this ACC. It all started around 34 billion years ago. Around 34 billion years ago, when Southern or this Antarctica would be separating from South America, the water would be filling in, and this filling of the water would make this Southern Ocean. This Southern Ocean is also seen as a place or habitat of such number of species which are still very important and they are rare to be found anywhere else. Also, this ACC, that is your Antarctic Circumpolar Current. This is such a current that has made a sort of gyre here and that no water body is trying to escape from it. We are also trying to find out that what is happening, why the ice or the glaciers, the permafrost that is there in the Antarctica, why it is melting. And hence, we can see that this Southern Ocean is not such a new unit that has come up, but yes, it has already existed. Now, the water within this ACC is cooler than the water outside and is less saline because of this movement of the ACC. So, this is one of the oceans that is totally bound by a water current. Now, this water current is not that simple. This is actually a part of the circulation that happens, the oceanic circulation that happens. And even this water over here will try to take down the waters coming from all where, and it might allow the waters to sink down to the abyss and then rise up somewhere else. So, these ACC or this ACC is really important in this sense. But alas, the point is, around 90% of the organisms, the big fishes, have already been depleted by our doing. And if we continue to do these exploitations, a time would come when these water would mean nothing. The recognition that is being given to the ocean is for the sake of protecting them, is for the sake of giving them a recognition that they also hold value, they also have those species, and these are very important for our lives. And hence, let's get back to the task of protecting and conserving our environment. Thank you so much.